Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is the first time that you're joining me, then hi, nice to meet you. I hope you'll hang around for a while. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that jazz. And today's video I'm pretty excited about because it's a little bit different, but this is going to be talking about all of my favorite children's items that are by no means necessary. Like, these are the things that are just extras and perks of being a mom. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking to you about those, and yeah, let's just hop into it. So the first thing that I have talked about before are these little stuffed animals from Hazel Village. This one is Charlie's. We have named him Franklin because on the website his name is Lucas, and I actually dated a Lucas, and I thought it would be weird to have my child's stuffed animal named the same as an ex-boyfriend of mine. So we named him Franklin instead, and he is so cute. Charlie loves this thing. It is so crunchy from being chewed on. All of his limbs are so just stiff, I guess, but he's really cute. And then Evie has a little bunny as well that's kind of a lighter tan that is named Juliet, and she actually is on the website. So yeah, if you wanted to check her out, you can. But they love these little guys so much. In fact, the reason that I'm not showing Juliet right now is because I asked Evelyn if I could borrow her, and she said no. So yeah, they love them. Charlie's actually taking a nap, so I snuck Franklin out, but yeah, I'll sneak him back in before he wakes up. And then I have a carrier. This is from Wild Bird, and I love this thing. So I didn't really think that I was going to want a carrier for Charlie. I had one for Evie and I just didn't use it. I had the baby Catan. I maybe used it like twice. This has been a lifesaver with Charlie because he has a completely different personality. He loves to cuddle and snuggle all the time. He will do that all day if he can. So this has really been useful. I don't think that this print is available anymore, but it's a really, really nice ring sling. It's easy to put on. They're comfy. I don't know. I just think they look really cool too. So yeah, Wild Bird slings. Love them. I love their prints especially, and the fact that they're all named after birds is kind of cool. So yeah, love that. Then I have some shoes to show you, and these are so cute. They're from Mon Petite, and these are Evie's. They are super worn out. You can tell she does have her mama's gracefulness. I've talked about this before, that I am not a graceful person. I trip and fall all the time, and judging by my daughter's toes, I think that she does the same. So yeah, these are little Mary Jane shoes, and these buckles are really cool. I am so sorry that you can hear my cat, but anyway, you just kind of slide the strap into this little hole and it just pops out just like that. So yeah, really, really slick to get on little feet. You don't have to mess with the buckle or anything. Super simple. And then because I loved these things so much, I of course had to get a pair of shoes for Charlie as well. So these are little black baby Oxfords. They're a soft sole, where these ones are the hard sole. So smaller babies get the soft sole, bigger kids get the hard sole, and yeah, love these. I'm so excited. So Charlie does not fit in these yet. These are way too big, but he should this summer, and I'm so excited to see him in those. So anyway, they're my shoes. My next favorite is completely useless right now, but I still love them. So they are Suitcases from Ollie and Ella. They're just little toddler suitcases. They're really tiny, and I love these things so much. So this one is Evelyn's. It's a light pink, and then these straps are elastic. So the little Hazel Village animals can just kind of slide in there, and they know exactly where they are, which is amazing. And then it's got the little handle here, really, really lightweight. It's got like a little luggage tag on there. Awesome suitcases. And then on the inside, they're really pretty too. So let me just open this up for you. You can see it's really pretty, bright teal blue. I love this thing so, so much. And apparently you guys do too, because I used this particular one for when Evelyn went to stay with my parents when Charlie was born, and I had a lot of questions about it. So yeah, the Ollie and Ella Sia suitcase, that's what that is. And I loved it so much that I had to get one for Charlie as well. So this is the mustard one. It's the same kind of thing, same lining. and those nice elastic straps. So love this. He obviously can't use it right now, but I'm excited for when he can. I also thought I would include some little snacky things that we really like. And so the first items are these Bear Real Fruit Yo-Yos. So this is an apple one. This one's mango. I know that there's another flavor that we have, and I'm not sure which one it is, but Evie really likes these. They're just kind of like a fruit roll-up, but they're actual fruit. Like, let me see if I can find the ingredients of this on here. Okay, there we go. It's apples, pears, mango. That's it. That's all it is. So yeah, love these. We also like these Honest Kids organic juice boxes. They're really slick for on the go, and I know that that's kind of not really something that we're doing right now, but they are slick for when we can go places, and there's not a ton of sugar. It's like 8 grams. So although it's not something that we would give her all the time, they are still nice and easy. Really taste pretty good. Actually, I have had the lemonade one. Is it a strawberry lemonade or something? And I loved that. Grape is not usually my favorite, so I don't know about this one, but the ones that I've tried are really pretty tasty. I have one more thing that I wanted to share with you, and this one's a little bit weird because it's a subscription bow company that we don't actually subscribe to anymore, but I still love their bows. And if you have a little girl that you want to put bows on, then I would recommend this particular one. So this is from Little Poppy Company, and these are a couple of the bows that I just quick grabbed, and I think they're so cute. Evie does actually have one that is kind of a cream colored with floral print all over it that she wears quite frequently, but I think it's in my car, so I have yet to find that one. But yeah, this is just an example of some of the ones that they have. They change them out every month, so I will link their page down in the description box and you can check that out. But yeah, I really love their bows as well. But like I said, we're not currently subscribed. We did get quite a few bows from Evie's first year of life, so we really don't need any more. So that is going to do it for my unnecessary kids favorite items, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know it's a little bit different, but I've really enjoyed talking about these things. I love them all, so yeah, I hope you do too. Anyway, I hope you're all having a great day, and I will get going and see you in my next video. Bye!